Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Jobs, Bills, and Budgeting, a project-based personal finance project. Over the next few months, you will be keeping track of a fictional budget that you put together. In the following slides, you will see a list of um, utility costs, income, expenses, and each slide is accompanied by a video walking you through how to use that slide. This first few slides, I think it's the first 7, are all encapsulated in the first video, but then after that, each slide is accompanied by a YouTube video where I kind of walk you through how to do that. Please watch the videos as you go through. Do not try to do every single one in one sitting or by themselves because they can get rather complicated at times. So this will take us about 3 or so months, the entire trimester, to work on keeping a budget, keeping costs, and it'll teach you these skills that you can use later in life when you are working on balancing your own budget. So I shall see you in the next video. Thank you for paying attention.